Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to convert from degrees to radian. Let us take an example of converting 45 degrees to radians. For this conversion we will think of a unit circle, goes like this and starts from here. This is 0 and this is 180 degrees. And when we take the measure in radians, this 180 degree is equal to pi radians. So when we want to convert this 45 degrees into radians, we are going to multiply this by pi over 180 degrees. Because here we see that pi over 180 degree will be 1 because pi is equal to 180 degree. And when we solve this degree and degree get cancelled and we are only left with pi radians. Though we don't write the radians with that, but we know that if there is pi, then there will be radians. So now we can solve it like 45 degrees divided by 180 times pi radian. So this will give us the angle in radians. So let's simplify. This degree and degree gets cancelled. So we have 5 times 9 is 45 and 5 times 3 is 15. This becomes 30 and 5 times 6 is 30. Again we can cancel out 9 and 36 because 9 times 4 is 36. So we are left with pi over 4 radians. So 45 degrees is pi over 4 radians. So to convert from degrees to radian, we just need to multiply the degree term with pi over 180. This is how we can convert from degrees to radians. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.